Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to the newest, greatest online offer ever in the history of the world, in the history of the internet, which is the history of the world. Never before has this offer been made. Are you ready? The Magic Toolbox. Yes, here we go. So this is a Magic Toolbox, and in here, all of these art supplies are magic. See? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some magic tools. Here's a red. Um, here's a blue. These are magic markers. And here's some pink. And here's a brown. And here's a gray. Okay? So these are magic. So whatever I do with these work. This got a lot of tools. We're going to have a lot of fun. I have magic pastels, magic pencils, magic pencil sharpener. I have magic watercolor, magic gouache. I have magic markers, and more magic markers. So we'll be using this quite a bit. So let's put this away on our magic stable floor. And then we're going to use, as we truck in, a magic sketchbook, which I found today at a kind of a crafts walk-a-thon, and we're going to use these magic markers here. So I saw this and I thought, oh my God, it gave me inspiration. I was inspired and I said, thank you for the inspiration. So here, this is a high major, high minor, and all I have to do is just go like this. And now it's a low major, low minor. Oh my God. And if I turn it over, I can actually draw on it. So I can go like this. Here's a Cal State Cool. See? And here's a Cal State Bitchin'. See? And here's the wave. See? So I thought we would draw in this. Okay? So let's have some fun with it. I already started with it. Now, what are we going to draw from? We're going to draw from the internet because the internet is free. Why pay if you don't have to? So here we go. So here's a girl and she's dancing on the internet. See, I've been watching the internet, and what I have found is that there's so many amazing offers where you could learn to draw in just a few easy lessons. See? Go like that. You can learn how to paint in just 2 classes. I saw it on the internet. I saw people holding paintings up that were completely finished who only been there twice. That's amazing. So I thought, why even go that far? Why not just use magic? Here we go. So these are magic pens. See, I'm not talking about any fundamentals of drawing. Why? Why learn if you don't have to? Now, this is only available online. When you go to our school, you have to learn. And it takes a long time. Oh, God. You figure it takes at least 2 years just to start getting the fundamentals down. But online, hey, why not? We're not lying to you. We're teaching you. Okay, so here we go. So let's grab. So that's the beginning. And it was done by the pen. All I said was draw a woman dancing. It's amazing. It's just amazing. So now let's see. I can start anywhere I want because it doesn't matter. Now, if she's looking straight here, I'm going to change her to look the other way. See, if I did that, I'd be copying it, and copying is drawing. Copying is painting, you see. But here, I'm using the magic of the pen. This is easier than AI. You see, AI, you have to know how to spell. You've got to at least know how to spell AI, which is very complex. But here, you just need to know it's magic. Okay, here we go. So, let the tool do the work. There's her magic belly button. This is her magic pubic arch, and I'm sure by the looks of this, it's very magic down there. So, this is Magic Flesh Tone. You just buy the pen that says Flesh Tone on it. Magic Flesh Tone belly button. Let's go with, she's wearing a red outfit. How's that? I'll give her brown hair. Yeah. So this is a online only offer, and you know, why learn if you can buy? Okay. So I think that's why not? Why learn if you can buy? Yes, spend your money and buy the tool. There we go. Okay. Welcome to the world of magic tools. Welcome to the world of not having to work hard. Welcome to the world of getting it easy, getting it almost for free. Only available online. Call Corey.